Alright people, so for those who are just joining in for this video, I want you to check out the previous video to this video, which is basically bike back funeral video, and then you'll understand exactly what's going on in this video. So basically GoPro give me a problem again and it don't record any sound, so me have to do that little voice over here. So this now we're in some bush because after the burial took place, a bag of things did a go on. Police and shot did a fire and all of them things. So the police blocked off the main entrance to where we were. So me no really want get involved with no police or anything. The bike straight and everything, but there is something. The bike is missing a license plate. You see me? And if you know the Jamaican law, basically if you're missing a license plate, then that is reasonable grounds for them to seize your vehicle. So I did want to avoid the police as best as possible. So basically me and my brethren, we Google a location and we see that there's a shortcut that leads us out to a road. You see me? That will basically get us to the main road. So we took the road now and we dip on the road and move along and trod along and thing. And eventually we get to the end of the road, not even the end of the road. Eventually we reach a point in the road where we couldn't cross it. You see me? It was way too bushy. So basically we had to turn back and we took another shortcut, or not even a shortcut, we took another route. That was not a shortcut, that was a round the world route. So it's just stay tuned guys. Watch the video in its entirety to see what will happen. So now we turn back and we took the other route, and while we were on that route we met up with some other bikers who basically are trying to do the same thing like what we are do. Them are try avoid the police. Alright, so now we got ahead of the bikers, and while we were getting through the line of bikers, they actually stopped and said that they heard that the police left. So basically the original route, or should I say the main road, the police left the road. So they got a call saying that the police left. So some of them turned back saying that they're going to take that route because, you know, it's much safer and, you know, the police gone, so everything should be alright. Alright, so here's the funny part now. While I continued the journey, by the time we reached the end of this little journey, so to speak, now the police them that we are looked on, about 4 or more police officers were there waiting on us, waiting on us, and we just, me and my brethren, we just started to laugh because we are saying, yo, we are trying to avoid you from all the way around. So now we come back all the way around here, come back up in now. So basically me and my brethren start laugh and we say, yo, we come in peace or we forward in peace, you know. and we started make some joke with the police officers, and basically they started to ask us why, because my brethren who was on the back, he was talking to them. So after the whole shooting thing go on, he went to them and was talking to them. So now the fact that we try to avoid them from the main entrance and come around, they saw him and they said to him, yo, why you here? We think say you're gone. And him say, yo, honestly, me just try avoid the problem and everything. So we started to make like a joke and everything, and then after that they basically asked us for my ID and if the bike straight and everything, and my answer them and thing. So following all of that now, all of the other bikers showed up, which was very funny. Very, very funny. Everybody showed up. So the bikers who said them I got turn back showed up. And it was just, me not tell you no lie, it was just very funny. But the police them, they held us there for almost an hour. They held us there for a good while. Good while. And just stay tuned that you will see what happened.
Look at that, man. What? So we can pull back out that way. And then take out my key. Wait, what my key? Him. Come on, phone number. Have your phone, brother. Oh. Have money number. Yo, we have a laugh, found a bike straight in the laugh around. Yeah, but honestly, we just know why involved. Hacking. There's no why now. Hacking. I can't make him pass check by, but him great. Who that? My virgin, him. Remember say me over there shouting, Bomba piece of maca gone up in my hand. Jaja.
Alright, so now they have us held for no reason at this time. So basically they were questioning the other riders, learning about who have their riders license and asking a bag of question, while me and my brethren were just standing waiting. Right? So because me and my brethren was traveling alone, they basically let us go before the other bikers, and I will show you that clip shortly after. And me not tell you no lie, we was so happy the fact that them never write no ticket, because them have ticket book and them a say who are gonna get that ticket here, who are gonna get that ticket there. We were very happy that we didn't get any tickets or anything. At one point I even went live on Instagram, because I was saying if any foul play for go on, somebody must see it, somebody somewhere. So I went live on Instagram, and one of the police come to me and say, yo, you record police work? You record police do them work? And I say no. But if you know your rights, then you know that while a police is conducting his work, you are allowed to record them. There's nothing that says you cannot record them. They are public servants, not private. So because me never want in a problem with them or anything, me just tell him no, me did up on a video call with my girl and all of them things. Yeah guys, so just go and watch the video.
Gotcha. Yo. Go depan TikTok lihat. Bang. Which part we forgot? Run out now. Brother, I'm an ID, brother. I'm an ID.
That's why I strap my ID for my blouse and skirt. Brother, my ID, I don't know more than my ID. Brother, when the man ask me where you work, I say boom bang bang. The man say, oh, brother, daddy, praise Jesus Christ. Woo. Man say sorry about that. But Lord, we have to run, we big idiot! The videos that we big a run! Oh man! Judge God! But me hear the brown one talk about pinch them and this and that.
Pinch them?
Yeah!
I hear them. Bustle.
Yeah! About 4 of them, and me hear say 4 of them and this and that. Now listen to them, you know, brother. One man!
Hold on, water. Thanks, sir.
What?
Oh, police, one back here. Yo, just something on the back.
Them now, me don't know what them a try do, but them a, me alright, them a hold on for everybody around there. If a man not have no license, yeah. No, if he not have in rider's license or whatever, boy, me don't even know. Cause me, yeah, me bike straight, but me not have my papers. But from me go so I show him my ID, him, you know, yeah. Yeah, that's all I'm have to do, but enough man don't know said they can do that.
Well, they will go take over riding if we check out that first.
A long time, what happened around there?
First get all up.
Right, we are first. A good thing with the eye of them, brother.
Eh?
I will, but people don't tell me. I will see what go on. Oh, forgot, right? Go on. He good, man, he good. Oh, yes, sir. Woo! Victory! Oh God! Praise Jesus! Thank you, Jesus! Why? Brother, you see, from me see them not ask me for no documents. Me say, why them a hold on pan we?
When I meet police, they start laughing, alright?
Yeah.